Hi guys, for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 Korean drama Netflix recommendations regarding crime, criminal law, and criminal justice. Part 2! Before tayo mag-proceed, gusto ko lang share sa inyo yung gamit ko sa lips ko, which is Careline Soft Suede Lipstick in the shade Icon. So, hindi mo na ako nag-lip gloss ngayon para i-try ko yung ibang lipstick. By the way, this is in no particular order. Nilagay ko yung top 5 according to their year kung kailan sila na-release. So, let's go! Number 1 on the list is Lawless Lawyer that was released last 2018. Itong Lawless Lawyer nga pala is may violence, medyo thriller, ganon. And at the same time, pinag-uusapan ay batas. So kung mahilig ka sa mga action na drama and also pinag-uusapan ay law, this one is really for you. And number 2 in the list is Vincenzo that was released last 2021. Alam ko yung iba dito napanood na itong Vincenzo pero allow me to add it on my list as well para sa iba hindi pa nakakanood. Si Vincenzo is a Korean-Italian na consigliere or legal advisor ng mga mafia, yung mayayaman na tao. Hindi na ako masyado mag-i-spoil ng background or story ng Vincenzo. Just watch it and thank me later. Number 3 in the list is The Devil Judge that was released last 2021 as well. So ito, medyo nag-iba yung tingin ko sa criminal justice sa part na to kasi yung dito is yung courtroom dito, naging reality show siya. So, isipin nyo na lang kung anong mangyayari kapag nasa reality show yung mga nasasakdal and also yung judge and yung mga lawyer. So, sobrang ganda nito. And number 4 in the list is Juvenile Justice that was released last 2022. And ang background ng Juvenile Justice is yung pinakabida dito is yung judge and meron siyang malalim na reason bakit galit na galit siya sa mga juvenile na nagkukumit ng crime. And number 5 in the list is Extraordinary Attorney Woo that was released last 2022. And ang story nito is, si Attorney Woo, she is an extraordinary na human being. So, hindi ko sabihin ko ano yon, pero ayun nga, sobrang ganda nito kasi pinatunayan niya na hindi hadlang yung pagiging extraordinary niya para ipakita yung kaya niyang gawin. And yung principle and doctrine niya. So, that's my top 5 Netflix recommendation part 2. So, watch out for part 3.